Her name is Samaira. She's aged 4 years, and initially she had cold, cough, running nose, wheezing, and frequent viral fevers, which never used to end. Basically, she used to catch a cold, and it used to move to viral fever, and then be on antibiotics. Again, she used to be okay for a few days, again antibiotics. So it was like a never-ending story. It kept going on, and later my sister told me that there's something called Respicare. You should try it out. So I thought, why not just give it a shot? And later I just got her to the Indiranagar branch, and the doctor there told me that you could take a 20-session course, after which she will not only be rid of the cold, cough and all her allergies, she will also have a developed immune system, wherein she will not get back those infections again. So now we have completed 20 sessions, and she has not got a cold or cough or a fever or any of those, and she's able to breathe properly, and she's able to play. Like earlier, she also used to get tired at times and complain of lack of energy, and she used to be tired. She never used to sleep properly. So all those are gone. Pretty much all those are gone, and she seems to be doing good so far. So good. So I hope it just continues and she doesn't get back the old allergies.
Respicare, first time in Karnataka, with 100% natural and drug-free, without any side effects, for all ages, like asthma, allergy, wheezing, sinusitis and skin diseases. For details, call 959 000 8899 or visit respicareindia.com.